Well, hello and welcome back. So today I am going for a walk down at the Opihi River to see if I can find any cool stones down here. It's super quiet and peaceful here at the moment, so let's see how it goes. There's been heaps of rain recently, so there should have been a good shuffle of the gravel here. It's actually been quite a while since I've been here. The water's so beautiful. And some unjas here. Look at the banding. That's quite cool. I don't know how big it's gonna be. Oh. Spot a little something just down there. Might try to get down on another point and walk along to here. I'll go try to get down over there and come back here, because that is very nice. Okay, so I've made it down. Now I've just got to wander along and try to find it again. Let's have a look at what else is here. Interesting wee mixture. Fully split, that's so cool. Oh, that's cool. I'll come back for that. Made it. Oh, that's cool. I really love this one. Huh. Let's see what else I find today, huh? What else is that? It is so pretty. Bit too big for me to keep, but definite appreciation. Beautiful. So beautiful. There is so much to explore and to be found. You can see the river's been right up here recently. That would have been when we had the heavy rainfall. Now, it's down here. It does get quite deep just there. The last time I was here, it would have been a couple of months ago, and it was in the middle of the drought, and the river was far smaller. The landscape's completely different this time coming here. It's almost unrecognisable. Spotted this wee one. Oh. Look. Looks like a green sort of jasper based on the texture, but could be wrong. Nice find regardless. Oh. Bigger than I expected. Look at all rings. Quartz veins through it. Some sort of green mineral. Like iron staining. That's cool. It's banded, it's beautiful. This colour caught my eye. Not quite how I expected it to look. One thing I'd like to do is popping into my head. If you've made it this far, that's cool. Please let me know what you think. But I had an idea. If I were to just come down here, collect a whole bunch of the smaller stones, just a good mix, you know, nothing crazy, like some of the more common ones, and tumble them and see if it revealed anything crazy. I'd probably keep a close eye because I know some of these will be on the softer side. But like, would anyone be interested in seeing that, seeing how they come out? If so, I might do like a little series on that. I think that'd be quite a fun project. Check this out. Wowzers. It's massive. It'll be churt, eh? Churt. How does everyone say it? However, big, beautiful. I appear to have reached the end of where I can access, and I seem to be annoying those birds over there. They're quite vocal about it. So I will start heading back now. Wander along a little higher up, see what there is, and find somewhere to lay the stones out. I'm not sure if I'll find any big pieces of wood to lay them out on today because different place. So, but I'll find somewhere, maybe a bigger rock. Cute we find. Nice colours through this, like iron staining. That looks like jasper. That's nice. Love the colour. Wasn't quite ready to go home, so I've continued walking along the other edge. So there's the train bridge. Continuing to walk this way. I want to try to get over here. I'm just a little uncertain about how firm that is. If I stand on it, it may just sink in. Just jump. Nice. Made it. Cool spot. What's the bet I could have just walked around that way? I think so. That's okay. It's the adventure, right? What is this funky thing? Like some type of briquetted jasper. Oh god. Look at it. Because you see smaller pieces like this at the beach. And it's like fragmented. Like a quartzite, briquetted quartzite sort of thing. I don't know. That's nice. It has a nice like blue kind of tint to it almost. I like that. I'll keep this. Stones and water getting somewhat trapped. It's interrupting the flow. Fascinating. Goes super deep there and comes back to shallow over there. Oh, nice log to be able to sit them on. I did not expect to find that. Whole lot of bright and colourful. Don't know how deep that is. No. Oh! Not bad. I'm gonna go rinse that in the water. Gosh, that is so beautiful. The colours. It's actually incredible. I love it. Super happy. Super happy. Got some green and yellow and everything through this piece. Nice white milky piece. Nice reddy pink. Nice yellow. Oh, just stunning. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.